Hey everybody, welcome back to yet another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. I'm BLG, I'm Lefty, and I am Righty. Say you're making your homemade KFC for supper. Now, you need the gravy to go along with that. So what I have here is my already keep on hand KFC chicken coating mix, right? And this is, once again, we'll go over that, because you're going to need some of this for your gravy. It's 2 cups of flour. It's 2/3 of a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of basil. That's the good stuff. Half a teaspoon of oregano, a half a teaspoon or 1 full teaspoon of celery salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon dried mustard, 4 teaspoons of paprika, gives it its color, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, and 3 teaspoons of white pepper. That's it. And you mix it all up. I ran mine through my sifter, and you have KFC coating mix. Now let's get on to making the gravy part. This is gravy, folks. Ha 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 ha. Very simple. What we have here, let's bring you down to the stovetop level. Right, chow. We got 2.5 cups, 2.5 cups of water coming to a boil. To that 2.5 cups, we are going to add 1 chicken bouillon cube. It goes in here like this, right? And I don't have a beef bouillon cube, but about the equivalent, 1 beef bouillon cube goes in the water here. Boom, just like that. I'm going to get us a spoon. Spoon? A spoon? Here we go. Get us a spoon and we're going to stir this up. Whoa, shit. Let that all dissolve. Like so. See? Nothing to it. And that can sit there like that. Boom. Now, front burner I've got on low. This is 3 tablespoons of butter. Yes, this is real butter. I suppose you could get by with margarine if you wanted to. Stir this around and get this melted down. La 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 la. This is an easy recipe, folks. A lot of stirring, but very easy recipe. See how that's boiling now? You can see that boiling? We can shut that off. That's fine. Bam. Getting this here all stirred down. Okay, that's melting. There's one little spot left. We're going to take our KFC mix, this stuff, right? What we're going to do, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of our KFC mix flour in with this here butter. We're basically making us a roux, folks. A KFC roux. 2, blue, just like that. And what you're doing with this here, you're going to stir this. I'm going to turn the heat down real low now. I got the heat down to 2.5. I'm going to stir this so we get a nice brown color out of it. And this is going to take probably maybe 6 minutes or so. This is canned. This isn't brown yet. We're going to stir this down to get a nice brown color. And it's going to thicken up a little bit. La 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 la. And it's going to be doing its thing. That's all. Basically stirring it some so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan and the old lady like cuts your neck at night because you ruined another pan. Everybody's in bed but me and the puppies. It's pretty cool. Cooking along. You know what's the odd part, folks? I'm not making this for my homemade KFC. Nope. Today I'm making it. I'm going to have it with some biscuits. No mashed potatoes, just on biscuits. And I'm going to show you how to make Popeye's chicken. Love that chicken. Yeah. Popeyes. We ain't got one around here that I know of. We get commercials, but that's over in Alabama. So, I don't know. So anyways, yeah, I'm going to show you how to make Popeyes chicken. And if I get ornery, I might show you how to make the Cajun fries. That might be another episode in its own, I think. I'll just show you how to make the chicken. The Cajun fries take a little while too. Well, not really. You're using the same crap you're using for the chicken. So if I'm going to show you, I might as well. I'll make a small batch Cajun fries for you too today. How about that? Sound like a deal? Let that stir for a little bit more. Partake of defog. Defog machine. La 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 la. Stirring, stirring. Ooh, see that? It just got a little bit darker. See that? This is what we're talking about right now, folks. Nothing to it. Nothing to it. That's got a little bit darker. Look at all them seasonings in here too. Look at them seasonings in that spoon. You see them? See all the seasonings? Oh, fuck yeah. And we ain't done with it yet neither. No sir, you think this is it? Nope. You better think again, son. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty good. Good color. Boink. I'm going to set that over here. Partake of the fog machine. Alright, now what we're going to do is take 3 more. 3 more. That's how I make a 3 with righty. Righty's all fucked up. 3 more tablespoons. I'm going to turn this way down now. Of the flour here. In fact, I'm going to take that off the heat. Because I'm not moving the pan. 3 more of these. Boom. Boom. And boom. Just like so. Like that. I'm going to stir this bad boy around and around. See? Now we're getting somewhere. Now we're getting somewhere, folks. Nice dark brown. Once this is mixed, this is the hard part. Hard part. This isn't hard at all. This is mixed in here. Now we're going to take our stock. I'm going to slowly add a little bit of stock. Give it one more stir here. Make sure it's all mixed in. A little bit of stock goes in. Like so. I'm going to stir that around. Take a little more. See how it's kind of working in here? It's a little bit weird. Don't worry about it. A little bit more stock. Maybe about that far. I'm going to stir this in. See what it's looking like? See that? That's exactly what we want, folks. Beautiful. Mix this. Mix it, mix it, mix it. We'll stir a little bit more of our stock in. In fact, I'm going to switch. I got a whisk around here somewhere now. A little whisk. My little one. Got my little whisk. Yes. Now I'm talking. And whisk this bad boy around. Just like so. Nice and easy. Sorry, I'm going to be kind of cutting in front of you here, but a little bit more of the stock. Whisk that around a little bit. Just like so. You can feel the little lumps with the whisk especially. Just work them out of the corners and get them all mixed in real good. Stew man, he's right at my feet. Looking for anything that I might have dropped. See, I'm making gravy. I don't think he would eat it if it fell on the floor. Okay, and we'll just put the rest of our stock right in here. Set that out of the way. Got our burner here. I'm going to kick it back up to about 3 or so. Yeah, right around 3. I'm going to keep stirring this. I'm going to stir this around and around and around. In fact, I'm going to kick it up. It says medium heat. I haven't made it in a while. I'm going to kick it up to 6. Okay. And we're just going to keep stirring for about 5 minutes. This will thicken up a little bit. And believe me, as this cools off, it will set. It'll get thick. Yes, that roux in there really does work. So we're going to stir this for about 5 minutes. Rounding around. Look at that gorgeous color, man. Look at that, baby. Throw these in the sink. Make noise. There we go. Yes, I've already got the chicken thawed. As soon as we get done with this, stirring this for the 5 minutes, this will be done. Ready to serve. Good to go, baby. KFC gravy. It's that easy, baby. Now you can make KFC, one of the two, your choice, and watch the videos. And you can have some biscuits, homemade biscuits, and gravy and mashed potatoes, and pretend you went to KFC for half the price. Yes, folks, yes. Look at this. And you can feel it working through there. It's working through these little things on the whisk. It's getting a little bit thicker to push. Do. Just like so. We have KFC gravy, baby. So that's close enough for now. It's all mixed very thoroughly with a whisk. If you don't have a whisk, you can just keep using a spoon or a fork. A fork would probably be better than a spoon because it's got tines on it. Just don't do it in a no-stick pan with a metal. Don't do that. No. There you go. And toss that over there. Get me a little. Yep, that's KFC gravy, folks. I wish you could taste it. There you go. There you have it. KFC gravy. Zoom in, baby. Zip. Look at that beautiful goodness. Look at that. Put that on your biscuits or your mashed potatoes. Put it right on your chicken, coleslaw, whatever you want. There you have it. Right there for you, folks. KFC gravy. That easy. Like this video. Hit that like button. Pound the crap out of it for me. Watch the videos. Like the videos. If you want to, subscribe. I think it's up there. Subscribe. Hit the little bell. Let you know when old BLG's getting off the fucking chain again. But anyways, that's it for this episode. Hands on with BLG. Hope you liked it. For BLG, I'm BLG. I'm Lefty. And I'm Righty. And we will see you back here for the next exciting episode. Hands on with BLG. Goodbye, everybody. Peace.